Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how US dollars are made, step by step.
Control, this is Alpha 1. All pallets accounted for and clear for intake.
These proprietary inks are specially formulated to ensure both extreme durability and advanced anti-counterfeiting protection for U.S. currency.
Temperature rising. Check the coolers.
I'm on it. Adjusting calibration now. Viscosity is spiking.
Levels stabilizing. Good.
Every bill contains multiple security features to prevent counterfeiting. Every bill is inspected before leaving the facility.
And that's how money is printed, trades, from start to finish.